Once you have made this biryani, you will make it like this every time because the taste is such that everyone will praise it after eating it. So add 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder here, 1/3 teaspoon red chili powder. Also add some spices, that is, add half teaspoon coriander powder and 1/3 teaspoon cumin powder. And add salt as per taste or half teaspoon salt. Toss all the spices well, that is, coat it well on the paneer like this. And after this we will keep it aside. Now what we do is boil the rice for biryani. So we will take a glass of basmati rice here. Biryani tastes better with basmati rice. So you can use long rice here, and I am not soaking the rice. I will cook it immediately. If you want, you can soak it in water for half an hour. By soaking the rice, when you boil it, its grains come out even longer and fluffy. So I have washed the rice here. Now we will boil it. So beforehand I had kept water in a pot to heat. We will put some whole spices in it. So put bay leaves here. Also put some mace. Put star anise here. Put cinnamon with it. And after this we will leave it to boil. If you tie these spices in a bundle and put it, then it becomes even more convenient to take out the spices. As soon as it boils properly, add the washed rice, and after that we will add half a teaspoon of salt to it. Mix everything well and cook till the rice is cooked up to 80%. Keep stirring it in between and keep checking the rice. If the rice is soaked, then it gets cooked instantly, and if you have not soaked it, then you will have to give it some time. So here we have to cook the rice only 80%. Do not cook it 100% because we have to cook it in biryani, i.e. dum. So here the rice is 80% cooked. What will we do now? We will cook the remaining 20% in the pan. So now we will take it out of the water, and after that keep it aside under the pan. If you want, you can remove the whole spices. If you do not want this cardamom etc., then what will we do now? We will fry the onion, because we have to make this fried onion for biryani. So I have kept oil in the pan to heat. Here I have cut 4 onions lengthwise. I put all the onions in all at once. If you want, you can fry them one by one. Keep stirring the onions and fry them on high flame till they become golden brown. Keep mixing them in between. So the color of the onions here has become golden brown. So now we take them out. And you can take them out on a paper kitchen towel, or you can take them out in a normal plate. So we first marinated the paneer. After that we cooked rice and fried these onions. Now we move to the next step, where we will put 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Mix the ghee and oil well. After this we will put this paneer in it and shallow fry it. So frying the paneer will give it a good texture, and at the same time it will taste delicious. So keep the flame of the gas medium here and turn it like this and shallow fry it a little. If you want, you can also use curd at the time of marination. Add some tandoori masala with curd and add the rest of cumin and coriander and mix well and marinate it, and then you can fry it. This will make your paneer softer. So here the paneer is fried. The onion is fried. Now we move on to the final step. Now we will heat 3 spoons of oil in the same pan. As soon as the oil gets hot, we will add half a teaspoon of cumin or shad jeera. If you have shad jeera, then use that. Cook it lightly in oil. After this we will add finely chopped onion to it. So, add 1 big onion or half a cup of finely chopped onion here, and we will fry the onion. Let the onion cook for 2 minutes. As soon as the color of the onion changes a little, we will add ginger and garlic paste to it. If you want, grate the ginger garlic fresh, or you can also use ready-made. So here you have to use 1½ tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste and fry it well with the onion. Also, if you want, you can break 4 to 5 green chilies and add them. Green chilies taste very good in biryani, so try to use more green chilies instead of red chilies. So I will add green chilies here, and after this we will add tomatoes in it. So here I have grinded 2 tomatoes and added its paste here, and will mix it well. Keep in mind that we have to use curd in it as well, so the quantity of tomatoes is not too much because tomatoes are sour and curd is also sour. So take 1 onion here and 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Now we will add half a teaspoon of cumin powder here, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. I am using Kashmiri red chili here. If you want, you can also use normal red chili powder. Mix all 3 well. Add cumin, coriander, and a little red chili, and after this we will add biryani masala in it. So you do not have to add biryani masala right now. First we will cover it and cook it properly because the tomatoes will be cooked, only then it will taste better. So here I have fried the tomatoes well along with the spices. See this. So now we will add biryani masala here. So the biryani masala I am using here is my Kavita's Kitchen's biryani masala. You will get it on Amazon. Also, you will get it on KavitaKitchenMix.com. My spices are now available on Amazon US as well. So if you live in the US, then you can easily order it there as well. You will also find the recipe of biryani written here. So this biryani masala here is very tasty. It is very flavorful. So on my advice, do try it once. So here we will add 2 teaspoons of this biryani masala. Keep in mind that I have added 2 teaspoons of biryani masala and a little bit of cumin, coriander, red chilli with it. After using my masala, there is no need to use cumin and coriander. But if you want a little spicy biryani, then you can add it here. So mix the spices well here and cover it and let it cook on low flame for 1 to 1.5 minutes so that the masala mixes well and creates a good flavor, and when you open the lid, it will smell so good that I can't even describe it. Look here, so our masala has been roasted well. Now we will add curd in it, so you don't have to add curd like this. Turn off the gas and let it cool down. Sometimes curd bursts due to high heat. That's why cool the spices. After that, add curd in it. After 2 minutes we will see that the masala has cooled down well here. So here you beat half a cup of curd well and then mix it in these spices like this. When all the spices are mixed well with the curd, then we will turn on the gas, and after that we will cook it a little more. So the masala here will get an even better color after mixing with the curd. So now we will cover it and cook it on low flame for at least 4 minutes so that the curd masala gets mixed well. After 4 minutes we will remove the lid of the pan and mix it once. So the spices will give such a good aroma here that I can't even describe it. So here our masala has been roasted well. Then we will add the rest of the things in it. So what do we have to add in the rest of the things? First of all, we will add paneer in it. So add this fried paneer in these spices like this. After this we will add this fried onion in it. Add some fried onion here. We will use the rest in layering. We will add coriander leaves. So add finely chopped coriander leaves here. Along with this, we will add mint leaves in it. So here I added fried onion, coriander leaves, mint leaves. Along with this, we will add salt according to taste. And what will we do after adding salt? We will mix all these well. So the base of biryani will be ready here. See this. So we will mix everything here nicely. So mix everything here nicely. And after this, we will cover it and cook for 1 more minute so that all the flavors get mixed. Now what will we do? We will do layering. So here the paneer has been mixed nicely with the spices. See this. So what will we do before stirring the biryani? We will turn up the gas so that it does not burn from the bottom and spread it nicely from all sides. See this way. After this we will add this roasted onion. After this we will add mint leaves and coriander leaves. So here we are starting layering. So first we put paneer on the bottom, add roasted onion, mint leaves, coriander leaves. After this we will add 1 spoon of ghee. And on top of this we will add the boiled rice. So make a nice layer of rice here. I am doing only 1 layer of biryani here. If you want, you can do it in 2 layers also. So here I put all the rice that I have cooked on it. And if you want, you can take out bay leaves, cinnamon, etc. from here. Now we will put fried onion on it. So here we had to use onion in 3 parts. First we added it in the spices, then in the bottom layer, and after this, whatever onion is left on the top, we will sprinkle it like this. We will put some biryani masala on it so that a good aroma comes when the lid of the biryani is opened. So here sprinkle half a teaspoon of biryani masala on this side, and again we will put coriander leaves and mint leaves on it. So here we will add coriander leaves and mint leaves 1 layer last here. The taste of fresh coriander and mint is very good in biryani. Now what we will do is that we will put saffron milk on it. If you do not have saffron, you can also use food color. Otherwise, you can add some turmeric to it and put it on it like this. It will give a good taste and you will also get a good color. So if the saffron color is not coming here, you can add a little turmeric in the milk. We will save the rice water that we used to boil and add a little here so that the biryani remains moist. Now we will close it. So I have applied flour on the lid like this. That means apply a dough of flour so that even a little air does not come out. If you want, you can do this with foil paper also. But to make dum, it is necessary to apply such a dough. So I pressed the lid here properly, made it airtight from all sides. See this. Now close the hole in the lid here with paper or dough like this. Now we have to cook this biryani for a total of 20 minutes. 10 minutes on direct flame, 10 minutes on indirect flame. So I turned on the gas and made the flame low. Let it cook for 10 minutes on low flame, and what we will do after that is that we will cook it on a pan. So, as soon as the 10 minutes are completed, after looking at the clock, you take an iron pan and place it on it. We do not have to cook it for long on direct flame. Otherwise, it will burn from the bottom and the rice on top will remain uncooked. So, you will cook it for 10 minutes on direct flame and after that in the steam on low flame. So you just have to cook it for 20 minutes after assembling it completely. After 20 minutes, we will turn off the gas and after that we will open it carefully. So what will we do here? We will cut the edges like this, because the dough becomes completely hard after cooking. So with a knife you will have to cut it from all sides like this. And when you remove its lid, do not keep your face on that side. Open it in the opposite direction, because a lot of steam will come out from it at once. So our biryani is ready. You can see this. Then we flip it once from the bottom. So look, the rice is cooked perfectly. The saffron we used is a perfect color and the paneer masala at the bottom is also visible perfectly. Isn't it? So it looks exactly like hotel-style biryani. So let's move on to the process of serving it. So whenever you serve biryani, serve it from one side. Don't mix it completely, because we need all the colors in the biryani. Only then it looks like the biryani is cooked perfectly. So for serving, I take it out in a serving plate. And look here, I took it out from one side and after that I will put it on the serving plate like this. So what will happen here is that the spices will also be visible below. Along with this, you will also see paneer and 2 layers of rice. Fresh coriander leaves and mint leaves bring contrast colors in it. It brings a freshness. Look at this. So you can make hotel-style biryani at home in a very simple way. And after it is ready, you have to serve it from one side. Do not mix it completely. Otherwise, all the hard work we put in stirring will go waste. So our very tasty paneer biryani is ready. You must try this biryani recipe. Serve it with lacha, onion and raita. Your heart will be happy after eating this biryani. So I hope you liked today's super tasty biryani. If you liked today's recipe after trying it, then do not forget to share this video with your friends and family.